Is your Maytag Epic Z washer refusing to start? Don't panic. Most start failures stem from three main issues: power supply problems, door lock failures, or control board malfunctions. The door lock is often the culprit, as it must fully engage to allow the cycle to begin. First, check the power supply. Ensure the washer is plugged into a working 120 volts outlet with no tripped breakers. Test the outlet with another device to confirm electricity flows properly. Second, inspect the door lock. Close the door firmly. It should click and engage. If it doesn't, the latch may need cleaning or replacement. This prevents the washer from starting as a safety measure. Third, perform a control board reset. Unplug the washer for 5 to 10 minutes to discharge capacitors, then plug back in and press start to clear error codes. These simple steps resolve most issues. If problems persist, consult a technician. The door lock is the most likely cause, followed by control board errors. The Maytag Epic Z washer relies on three core components to start properly: a stable power supply, a functioning door lock, and a healthy control board. Any issues with these can prevent the washer from beginning its cycle. Power supply problems are common. The washer needs stable 120 volts electricity. Faulty outlets, tripped breakers, or power surges can prevent startup. To check, use a multimeter on the outlet, like shown here. Door lock failures often trigger error codes. The solenoid-based latch must click shut to signal safety. If it fails, the washer won't start. Test the lock's continuity using a multimeter, as demonstrated here. Control board malfunctions can cause glitches. This central component manages cycles and inputs. Try resetting by unplugging the washer for 5 to 10 minutes to discharge capacitors, then plug back in and test. The parts diagram shows key components. First, ensure your washer is plugged into a working outlet. Test the outlet with another device to confirm it works. Check your circuit breaker to see if it has tripped. The Epic Z needs a stable 120 volt AC power supply. Power surges or interruptions can prevent it from powering on. Inconsistent power can also damage the control board over time, so check for this first. The door lock must fully engage to signal the control board that it's safe to start. Firmly close the door and listen for a click. If the door doesn't latch, the assembly may need replacement. Failure can trigger error codes like F7 or flashing lights. In some cases, lubricating the latch mechanism can resolve the issue. The control board reset is a simple yet effective solution for many Maytag Epic Z startup issues. Begin by unplugging the washer completely from the power outlet. Leave it unplugged for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the capacitors in the control board to fully discharge, clearing any temporary error states or glitches that might be preventing the washer from starting. After the waiting period, plug the washer back into the outlet. Then press the Start button on the control panel to reset the system and attempt to start a cycle. This control board reset addresses the most common cause of startup failures and is often the easiest fix to try before more advanced troubleshooting. When basic troubleshooting fails, advanced checks involve examining the control board for blown fuses or damaged capacitors. Always disconnect power first to avoid electrical shock. Start by visually inspecting fuses for breaks in the wire inside. A blown fuse will prevent power from reaching the board. Check capacitors for bulging, leaking, or brown residue, which indicates aging or failure. These components store electrical charge and can cause startup issues if damaged. Use a multimeter to test fuses for continuity and capacitors for proper capacitance values. Set the multimeter to the appropriate mode and follow safety protocols. These advanced steps require technical expertise. If you're not comfortable with electrical work, seek help from a qualified appliance technician to prevent injury or further damage. Appliance repair experts estimate that door lock malfunctions cause 35% of Epic Z start failures. Control board issues account for 28% and power problems for 22%. Simple resets often work, but ignoring power fluctuations leads to repeat calls. Proactive maintenance, like annual power checks, can reduce failures significantly. Washer repair trends are shifting towards sustainability and technology integration. Smart diagnostics via apps can predict potential failures before they occur, allowing for proactive maintenance. Eco-conscious repairs using remanufactured parts are on the rise. This approach reduces waste and extends appliance life. While newer models may see AI-driven self-repair features Older models like the Epic Z may face phased out support, pushing users toward upcycling or professional services. Future outlook points to IoT enabled washers automating resets, potentially reducing repair needs by 15 to 20% by 2030.